It's exciting to be here at Intergeo. We're having a very exciting time. We're looking forward to connecting with many good colleagues and interesting technologies. In addition to the Naviz products, we've seen lots of drones, we've seen lots of robots, and that is a good start. So I'm happy to say that we are a happy Naviz VLX customer. In fact, we own two VLX systems. So I think that puts us in a select group of customers and users, and we're excited to push the technology to its limits in unusual and challenging circumstances. So we have in addition to the VLX, we have other SLAM scanners. We work with terrestrial tripod laser scanning systems as well as drone photogrammetry. So we have a very large toolbox, and we do have some very interesting customers, and they have very demanding needs. So all in all, these are exciting tools. But my favorite, quite frankly, is the VLX. It works very well for us. Perhaps 90% of the time, 95% of the time, it does what we need, and the workflow and the cloud options make it very valuable to us. I think hardware, as you know, always gets smaller, better, and cheaper, just very much like the phone in your pocket. But I think the real challenge is how do we scan the world, and how do we make use of that data and useful outcomes for people engaged in capturing those technologies.